part two of this review. Now this is the fun part where y'all could see this truck in action. So before we begin, if y'all would be so kind, please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that y'all never miss any of my future content. So let's go ahead and show y'all the dumpsters. So here you guys have the dumpster. It's just like your dumpster you see in your house. It says garbage collection on it. Um, you do have your grooves right there to kind of help you with the grabber arm with the forks. The back is plain. You do have two little things right here. No wheels, but this is awesome. Um, now, now the lid does open. Pretty plain. So I'm only gonna show you guys one of the bins. So you do have your green waste. You do have your green waste right here. Your composting bin. No wheels on this one, which is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Considering how much you pay for that. But I love it. So showing all the bin. Same color. Same color. But looks super cool. So put that bin right there. Put that bin right there. And then here you have the trash bin. Looks super cool. Do you see where it says trash? This kind of looks, to me, this looks like an auto classic or auto edge, but it is kind of generic. So gonna put that bin right there. Looks super cool. That set looks super cool. Now feast your eyes on this truck, y'all. Woo-wee! I guess I'm gonna have to zoom all the way out because this is a huge one. So gotta lift up the arm. So up front, you do have your teeny headlights. You do have your black grill. Now this truck isn't actually based off of anything in particular, but it takes inspiration from Autocar. But this does take inspiration off an Autocar ACX or Pete 520. Ay, prójimo. This is huge. You do have your window there. And you do have your window down there. No waste management logo. This truck is trying to target, the little ones. Because this is not trying to be replicated, a real garbage truck replica, but it does look realistic. Right there, right there in the bottom, that's where your exhaust would be, but there's no exhaust. So that is really disappointing. But look, they give you a hydraulic arm. Looks super cool. And then you do have your caution sign right there. And you do have right there it says, I don't know what it says, but this door, when I opened it, felt little cheap. But you can dump your garbage from the back too. You don't see that on a real truck. As I open it, this takes two hands. It is plenty big to fit whatever you want. No packing mechanism. You do have, says trash right there. You don't have any logos there. I mean, you don't have any taillight print, which is a missed opportunity. This is all stickers. This is all stickers. And so is a recycling logo. It says garbage truck, garbage collection on it. Looks super cool. And then still stiff. And then you can see the thing, this whole thing can only extend a certain amount like that. And then you turn the wheel. And then there we go. So, looks super cool. We're gonna lift up in. Wow. Wow. That's it. Lifting. That is cool. That is super cool. So, looks super cool. Now I'm going to show you guys how I use it for the first time. So, put the truck right here. Ugh. Looks super cool. So, gonna show you all. Ya casi. So, gonna show you guys how it's right there. So, bring one trash bin. super cool. That's what I love about this garbage truck. It's got many action features that most of your high-end collectible ones that are worth twice as much don't even have. So there y'all have it. This thing of beauty is awesome. So hope y'all enjoyed this video on this garbage truck. I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 episodes, this mega episode. This is a Sabbath edition. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, and subscribe. Luis el Apóstol Feliz. Peace.